Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore feels the JFF failed in a number of critical areas following the boys' most recent assignment in Saudi Arabia. Now, TVJ Sports has obtained a copy of the technical report following the two friendly internationals. Whitmore has made a number of demands of the JFF president Michael Ricketts and his staff. Here is Jerome Foster.
The technical report pointed to the burning issue of contractual arrangements, with the technical staff calling for the settling of all contractual obligations ahead of the upcoming FIFA window in March. Among the other requests being made by head coach Theodore Whitmore of the Mike Ricketts-led administration is an increase to his technical staff. Whitmore wants a fully contracted fitness coach who is available 24/7, along with an additional assistant coach who can help pay greater attention to detail, focusing on specific areas of play. The head coach has also reiterated the need for a video analyst, which he says has been on his list of requests since 2019. There are also calls for additional equipment and technological resources such as Instat, a performance and scouting tool used globally, as well as recovery and training equipment inclusive of cones, mats, and hurdles. But technical areas weren't the only ones highlighted. Whitmore's staff pointed out the need for a chef to travel with the team to prepare meals, following reports that players didn't eat well on the trip to the Middle East and complained of having the same meals every day. Administrative issues were also brought up. Travel during COVID-19 has been a nightmare, but that didn't stop the technical team from lashing out at the JFF's arrangements, saying the procedure re the booking of tickets and the policy on seating options was one of the most embarrassing and unprofessional aspects of the planning and execution for the games. The technical team was also scathing in relation to the hierarchy, leaving players behind in Saudi Arabia, and said they only made things worse by the way the action was defended in public. The report detailed a meeting between Coach Whitmore and President Ricketts back in April 2020 about making the national program more player-centric in the quest for World Cup qualification, but says based on what happened in Saudi Arabia, the federation failed in every regard. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.